Today we're going to be showing you a tutorial on how to make glossy slime. So what you need is some borax, a little bit of water. If you want to color it, we have food coloring here. We have plates, spoons, and some glue. So let's get started. Okay,
First
we need glue. We'll pass it down so we go last. Yeah, scoot that over so we don't spill it.
I'm going to put a lot of glue because I want to make a big slime.
Oh, okay.
Gosh.
Okay.
That's how much
so heavy.
I know. Whoa.
Okay. Sister, here. Here. Okay. Now we're going to put in some food coloring. I'm going to use all three to make mine special.
I'm going to use the two things.
Oh my god, Anthony.
Oh gosh.
Oh gosh, yeah. Okay.
Okay, Anthony, I think that's good.
Oh, you're covering the whole face. The whole face.
2 drops of this because, yes.
I'm going to use all 3 colors.
2. Happy face. Yes.
It's not very happy. Oh, I did 2 of the blues. Oh well.
Ooh.
Did you use all 3?
No, I used only 2.
No. This is mine. It's like
a pretty color.
Like, I don't know how to explain mine. It's like a purpley kind of.
I'm putting 2 out of 2.
Ooh, I don't like this color too much, but
it's like sort of like a grayish blue,
pinkish, purple blue. I don't know how to explain it.
Mixy, uppy.
This looks like something. I don't know.
It's America.
This is my color.
Ooh,
this is
nice. I like my color. Nice, look.
Mine. Whoa. I'm going to add more of this.
That's America.
Yeah, right.
Told you. America. United States of America.
Did you use all 3?
Yeah.
Then you're going to have the same color as mine.
Come over here, Fran.
It looks like red when you add it. Wait, is this actually... No, this is pink, right?
Yeah, it's pink.
Okay.
All right, it's time for the...
Yeah, it's like a workout for your wrist.
I thought you were going to say legs.
Okay.
Well, if you make slime with your feet, then it is.
Okay.
It is impossible, though.
It isn't possible?
It is.
Oh. Okay. Whoa. This is like all the slime that I made. So little. Anthony is so much.
You're still adding colors?
Yeah. Jeez. I think I got some color from it.
I don't really like my color.
No?
I like my color.
To make it darker, you use blue.
Mine is like U.S.
What?
U.S.
Ooh,
I'm going to add this color. I've never added this color.
You didn't? Really? I guess we're all going to kind of make the same color because we use all 3 of them.
No, because you add more colors.
Ooh, mine's getting there. Yours look like a jellyfish color. That's what it reminds me of.
What does mine look like?
I don't know.
A dark ocean or something.
Ugh, I don't know what Anthony's looks like.
If we mixed all of ours together, it would probably look like
that. Looks so good if we mix it all.
I'm still trying to add
sort of
getting
activated. I'm using my hands now.
I need a pink.
Chip.
I need pink. Pink.
What? Chip.
Chip. I said drip. Hurt that face. Maybe you're just hungry.
I don't know. I need a chip.
Chip. I need a
chip.
I need a mip. Chirp. A dopey. You're so dopey.
I don't know what Anthony's color is.
It's like breaking.
Comment down below what you think his is.
I feel like mine is galaxy.
What does mine look like?
Mine looks like Emily. Yours look like I don't know.
A brain.
A brain.
Okay, now what you do next?
I still didn't finish mine. I need more borax.
I don't think we need it. Wait, can I feel it?
The point is, like, whenever you...
actually, it's not that
I still have, so much slime.
It's okay.
It feels, like, rubbery.
Yeah. Mine's more thick than yours.
Mine isn't sticky anymore.
Mine's definitely thinner.
This is good slime.
Do you want
the thing about thin slime is, like, you can't make very good bubbles.
Yeah, you need it thicker.
The way to make it thicker is not to add more water. Don't make that mistake.
Don't. Also, don't make it too thick because too thick it won't stretch enough, and it would like not make
Don't
good
add so
bubbles.
much borax.
Yeah,
Because it'll make stringy.
No,
It'll
not just that. It'll just like
overactivate.
no, it'll just break the whole time. Like
Oh no, mine's breaking.
yeah, that's what happened.
It's like that, but
Wait,
less
not like
better.
that.
Like this. Of course I'm trying to show them it's better. No one. Like mine's breaking.
Yeah, like it breaks like that. Whoa, a big chunk just.
Yours is so
flew
good.
out.
Wait, I want to see yours. Yours is like so
Feel mine.
soft.
Anthony, you need way more lotion.
The trick
I
is
need
to
more
add
water.
like
Lotion.
half a pump of lotion.
Yeah,
At a
because if you
time.
add way too much.
Because the mistake that I made and how I made the mistake is I added like 2 pumps at a time.
Oh, I think
Don't
that's
do that.
melting.
Oh.
No, yours is fine.
You have so much left on your plate, Anthony.
I know.
What I do,
It's better having less than a lot.
I take some slime and then dip it in here, and then put it into this slime. It works a lot better.
Ooh, this is
Doesn't
getting
make it a
better.
big mess.
It was so like, it was so messy. Now it's like so good.
Wee.
Like it made no sense.
Whoa, look at that. Wait, ready for the click test?
Ooh. Wait, I want to see mine.
I want to hear Anthony's click. Do you?
Wait.
I'll rate that like a B.
Yeah.
Actually, like a C or something.
Emily's like an A
Yeah.
plus.
I'm good at mixing.
I'm an
slime.
A. I'm an A. She's an A plus, and I never saw yours.
Hers is pretty good. Let's all switch it. Okay, let's rotate. So I give it to Anthony. Anthony gets his, and then I get yours. That's
No,
all.
yours is like sticky.
No. Yours is like rubber. Oh,
Yours feels slightly rubbery, just a little bit,
Right? It's just like,
Ooh.
it's actually.
but it's really good. I like it.
Like,
Okay,
his
let's all
doesn't-
switch it.
His doesn't stretch that much.
I like hers.
Ooh, I like
oh.
yours.
Yours is okay.
Yours is like so
It just
soft.
doesn't stretch as well.
Yeah,
as
I'm
that.
adding more lotion.
You should-
lotion. That's
Okay, let's all switch back.
I'm adding more lotion. That's the main trick.
Yeah, now that you said it, mine does.
Yeah.
Mine does actually feel a little
Just
bit
a
better.
little bit, not too much here.
You
I'm
guys
gonna
don't
add
really need
some
lotion.
onto hers.
I need a lot of lotion.
Yes, thanks. Yeah.
When do you know when it's melting?
I'm gonna make a bubble. Okay, ready? Gonna make one. 3, 2. Oh, there's holes. Hold on. I need to redo it. Sorry. Hold
Oh,
on.
this is
hold
good.
on,
My
hold
slime
on.
was so bad, and now it's like so good.
This is
Okay.
the thing that you need like a lot
Ready?
of slime. Such a
It
pretty
keeps
bubble.
making little bubble, like holes in it.
Oh, mine is stretchy.
Can you feel it?
Like that's the thing about too stretchy
Yeah, you're
slime.
getting less. Yeah.
And
Too
more-
stretchy,
and
less
like-
bubbles made.
Emily, do it before.
A little bit more lotion. That's it for this video.